Hi, second grade. Today you have a phonics quiz, and I wanted to go over what our phonics skill for this week is. So, our phonics skill for this week is all about homophones. So, a homophone is a word that sounds the exact same as another word, but it is spelled differently and it has a different meaning. So, let's look at a few examples. So, here's the first one. Dear. DEAR is like when you're writing a letter and you say, Dear so and so. Dear, DEAR. But there's also another word that sounds the exact same. Deer, like DEER. So this deer is like the animal that we have around here in Kentucky, a deer. DEAR is how you start when you're writing a letter. So they sound the same, but they're spelled differently and they have different meanings. Okay, here's another one. We have week, WEEK, like the days of the week, but we also have the word weak, WEAK, like someone who is not very strong. You are weak or days of the week. Two words that sound the exact same, different spelling, different meaning. Here's another example. The word rode, RODE, would be like I rode in a car. But then you have the word road, ROAD. ROAD would be like your car is driving on the road. So the road that you drive on. So road in a car, road that you drive on, road. And this is the last one we're going to go over. We have the word meat, MEAT, like the meat that you eat, like a cheeseburger. Your burger is made of meat, or you have meat. Ooh, let me switch those. MEET. MEET is like nice to meet you, like you meet someone new. So two words that sound the same, they are spelled differently, and they have different meanings. Now on your quiz, the first 5 questions are going to ask you which words sound the same. So you have to read the words carefully, figure out how they sound. I suggest reading them out loud so that you can hear those sounds. The last 5 questions, you have a sentence and you have to choose which word fits best in the sentence. So if my sentence was, the deer was running in the forest, would they mean deer, DEER, or deer, DEAR? Well, I know that DEER is deer, like the animal that would be running through a forest, so I would choose this one. Okay, good luck on your quiz. Make sure you read all your questions very carefully and click submit at the very end.